boiler repair services in Duluth. Cool HVac Duluth proudly offers the highest quality HVAC services available in the greater North Atlanta area. We specialize in boiler repair services. We know just how to keep your indoor spaces comfortable when there's a chill in the air. Cool HVac Duluth Services is extremely proud to employ North American Technician Excellence, NATE, certified technicians. Our techs are prepared to deal with all your HVAC needs. Call Cool HVac Duluth at 678-786-6224.